Welcome back to Autocars Play. Today, we're diving into the world of luxury, power, and innovation with a vehicle that continues to set standards in the SUV segment, the all-new 2026 Mercedes-Benz GLE. If you're a fan of elegant design, cutting-edge technology, and a driving experience like no other, then you're definitely in for a treat. Let's explore what makes the 2026 GLE a true masterpiece in modern automotive engineering. From the very first glance, the 2026 GLE impresses with its sleek yet muscular profile. The refined design updates bring a sharper front grille, new LED headlight signatures, and more aerodynamic body lines. Mercedes has taken everything we loved about the previous GLE and dialed it up a notch, offering a more aggressive stance while maintaining that signature luxury appeal. Under the hood, Mercedes continues its commitment to performance and efficiency. The GLE comes with multiple powertrain options, including a turbocharged inline-4, a smooth and powerful inline-6 with mild hybrid technology, and for those who crave maximum performance, there's the AMG variant featuring a twin-turbo V8. Each option is paired with Mercedes' 9G-tronic automatic transmission, delivering seamless shifts and a ride that's both dynamic and refined. Step inside the 2026 GLE and you enter a world of sophisticated luxury. The cabin is a blend of premium materials, intelligent design, and advanced technology. High-quality leather, natural wood trim, and ambient lighting create an atmosphere that feels more like a high-end lounge than a car interior. But the magic doesn't stop at looks. The latest MBUX infotainment system now comes with enhanced AI features, a new touchscreen interface, and even more voice control capabilities. Whether you're navigating, changing the music, or adjusting the climate, it's all just a voice command away. One of the standout features of the new GLE is its updated driver assistance suite. With features like adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, and the newly improved autonomous driving mode for highway cruising, the GLE takes safety and convenience to a whole new level. It's like having a co-pilot that never gets tired. Mercedes has also put effort into improving the ride quality. The updated Airmatic air suspension ensures the GLE glides over bumps and rough terrain, while the optionally active body control actively adjusts the suspension in real time, giving you an ultra-smooth ride whether you're on city streets or off the beaten path. And yes, the GLE still offers generous space for passengers and cargo, making it not just a luxury SUV, but a practical one as well. Whether you're headed on a weekend getaway or running daily errands, the 2026 GLE adapts to your lifestyle with ease. That wraps up our first look at the 2026 Mercedes-Benz GLE. A luxury SUV that blends power, technology, and style like no other. Make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned to Autocars Play for more amazing car content.